I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, ring the house down! Hi, everybody!
Oh, it's so great to be here. I've got a funny story to tell you. So I was out walking in nature, and I was looking up at the tall trees when all of a sudden, guess what happened?
What?
A bird landed on my head!
You fell out of bed?
No, a bird. It landed on my head.
Okay. Do you see a bird on Faye's head? Me neither.
Fluffy, I don't think that you're actually listening to me.
I am trying to listen to you, and I'm trying to listen to my music. So maybe sometimes it's easier to just listen one thing at a time.
What do you all think?
Yes.
Only one person should be speaking at a time so you can understand what they're saying. If it's too many people, you won't be able to understand any of them.
People should get their chance to speak and say what they want to say.
Who are some of the people or things that you all listen to?
I listen to my teachers. I listen to my parents. I listen to my friends.
I listen to music.
And animals, too,
Yeah.
because Buddy lets me know when he needs to go outside. How do you think that my dog Buddy lets me know that he needs to go outside? Well, okay, Faye, can you tell us some ways that we can be good listeners?
One of the things that we can do
Oh,
is...
I know. Be kind.
Yes, Fluffy, it's always great to be kind. But what I was about to say is...
I know. Be polite.
Yeah, but what I was actually going to communicate was that
I know, I got it. Don't interrupt.
Fluffy, be a good listener.
Exactly.
When somebody interrupts me, it makes me sad.
Oh, I get it, Faye. All this time you've been trying to teach me how to be a good listener. I'm sorry, Faye.
You don't need to say you're sorry. We're gonna learn about this together.
Oh, great. Well, can you all share some ways that you are good listeners?
To not shout out when other people are saying something. You can be a good listener by actually engaging in the conversation. By waiting your turn.
And what are some ways that we know when somebody wants to talk to us?
Look at the person when they're talking.
Don't be in your own world. Be in the person who's speaking world.
But it's really important, so we listen with our ears to listen sometimes, but sometimes also we need to use our eyes as well.
And our hearts.
And our hearts.
So what are some ways that you are able to listen with your heart?
If your friend says, like, this was a really cool experience, you could say, oh, that sounds really cool, to really engage with them.
I feel a bunch of different mixed emotions because I was speaking and words matter.
Words really do matter. Like yesterday, I went to go visit a friend and I was so excited to see them. And then when I got there, they were looking a little bit down and they didn't say that to me. You know how sometimes you can just tell?
Yeah, sounds like you were listening with your heart.
Oh, well, it was so cool because they felt better because I listened to them.
Oh, it's so fabulous when we listen with our hearts.
Let's hear it for being good listeners. Yeah!
Our bookshelf friends.
Psst, Pepito. Come on. I know a quiet place where we can plan Fuzz's surprise birthday party. How do we make a fuzzy, fun surprise party for Fuzz? Shh. Oh, you're good at planning parties. Oh, Fuzz would love that. But remember, this is a secret. Wait, Fuzz, were you listening in? Did you hear what Pepito and I were talking about?
Oh, well, I couldn't help it, and I guess I was curious.
Aw, that's okay. We wanted it to be a surprise. You shouldn't listen into a private conversation.
You're right. I'll wait to be invited into the conversation next time, instead of listening in.
Oh, you're so smart, Pepito. It can still be a surprise because Fuzz doesn't know when we're having the party.
Huh? What?
Surprise!
Hi, my name is Raven, and I'm really good at listening. And I like listening to my teacher so I could have a good grade and a good future. Listening to others is important because it gives me good ideas and it's also polite. One time when I didn't listen was when my mom told me not to eat snacks on the sofa, but I did anyways and there was crumbs everywhere. I apologized and then I know why I should have listened now. That's why I'm all ears.
Are you all ready to sing the Settle Down song with us?
Yes!
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is The Rabbit Listened by Corey Dorfeld. One day, Taylor decided to build something. Something new, something special.
Something amazing. Taylor was so proud.
But then, out of nowhere,
Things came crashing down.
the chicken was the first to notice.
Cluck, cluck! What a shame. I'm so sorry that happened. Let's talk about it. But Taylor didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left.
Next came the bear.
Roar! How horrible! I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout about it. Roar, roar, roar!
But Taylor didn't feel like shouting, so the bear left.
Can we all do big bear sounds? The elephant knew just what to do. Rum-da! I can fix this. We just need to remember exactly the way things were. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering, so the elephant also left.
One by one they came. The hyena, let's laugh about it. To the ostrich, gulp, let's hide and pretend nothing happened. The kangaroo, tisk tisk, what a mess. Let's throw it all away. And the snake, shh, let's go knock down someone else's.
But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody. So eventually they all left, and Taylor was alone.
In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit until Taylor could feel its warm body.
Together they sat in silence until Taylor said, "Please stay with me." The rabbit listened. The rabbit listened as Taylor talked. The rabbit listened as Taylor shouted.
The rabbit listened as Taylor remembered and laughed. The rabbit listened to Taylor's plans to hide, to throw everything away, and to ruin things for someone else.
Through it all, the rabbit never left. And when the time was right, the rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to build again. "I can't wait," Taylor said.
It's going to be amazing.
The end.
I have one question for everybody. What did all the other animals not do that rabbit did?
They didn't listen to him. They just gave their own ideas, but Rabbit listened.
I think the rabbit was listening with his heart.
The rabbit listened with their heart. So, did you all enjoy that story we shared today?
Tell me some things that we all learned about listening.
Listen to other people so they can listen to you. Look at them like you actually are listening, and your body language and your heart and your eyes and your ears.
Only one person should be talking at a time.
Yes.
I learned about listening and don't interrupt people.
Oh, Faye, remember that story you told us earlier?
Yes?
About the pink bird?
Yes.
Did you happen to see the bird leave your head?
I don't think so.
It's still there.
Oh, hi up there.
We had such a good time. Thank you all for hanging out with us today. Now remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.